Good morning, and welcome to the Belmont Forum reporting tutorial for the group of project reporting coordinators. My name is Judith Ungvari, and I am the Secretariat Coordinator for the Belmont Forum. If you are from the group of program coordinators or from a thematic program office and will be involved in the Belmont Forum reporting process, then this is the right video for you. In this tutorial, we will begin with an overview of the Belmont Forum reporting. We will then discuss the different types of reports and timeline, take an in-depth look at the roles of key actors, and review the key phases of the reporting process. We will be finishing up with a quiz and provide you with additional information you will need to help oversee the reporting process. Let's begin with an introduction. Awardees are required to submit reports, initial, interim, or final reports, depending on the project lifecycle, annually through the Belmont Forum Grant Operations, or BFGO system at bfgo.org, a system maintained by the BFGO provider. These reports are critical to capturing the work of our awardees and inform midterm and end-term meetings, as well as the annual plenary meeting. The BFGO system allows the Belmont Forum to easily aggregate information across projects and calls. BFGO is compliant with the European Union's General Data Protection Regulations and EU-US and Swiss-US Privacy Shield frameworks. The Belmont Forum reporting data is critical for collecting and aggregating information to assess progress at different levels, at the Secretariat level, at the Collaborative Research Action level, and at project levels. Collaborative research actions are the forum's equivalent of a call for proposals. Now let's take a look at the different types of reports and annual reporting timeline. The consortium lead, the lead project investigator for each project, is responsible for submitting the project's reports. The initial report captures project expectations and identifies staff just after the project has been awarded. The interim reports capture progress, outputs, outcomes, and changes to the project during the previous year. The final report captures an overall retrospective of the project and documents future work, outcomes, and data management policies. Take a look at this timeline. The Belmont Forum reporting cycle runs from mid-March to mid-June each year. The reporting process is streamlined, so the timeline remains the same for each type of report. Now let's take a look at the roles of key actors in the reporting process, as well as take a deeper dive into the reporting process itself. The Project Reporting Coordinator, or PRC, communicates with consortium leads and ensures that they are completing the project reports in a timely manner. The Secretariat Coordinator coordinates with the PRCs and ensures they know the reporting processes, timelines, and requirements. The Secretariat Coordinator facilitates communications with project reporting coordinators and the BFGO provider. The BFGO provider configures and maintains bfgo.org. The BFGO provider sets up system deadlines, controls changes to the BFGO project report templates, and provides technical support during project reporting. The consortium lead completes and submits the project's initial, interim, and final reports. The reporting process can be broken down into 4 phases: preparations, reporting, quality assurance, and analysis and use. Phase 1 involves the project reporting coordinator, the Secretariat Coordinator, and the BFGO provider working together to review the reporting process and requirements, receive approval from the Secretariat, and make any changes as required. The BFGO provider makes any necessary changes to the BFGO system with the project reporting coordinator. The BFGO provider will send a heads-up announcement 2 weeks prior to the cycle opening and finish configuring the BFGO system. The reporting phase begins when the BFGO provider opens the reporting on BFGO and partners with the Secretariat Coordinator to provide help desk support. Monitoring reporting process is a crucial part of the Project Reporting Coordinator's oversight duties. The Project Reporting Coordinator works with the Secretariat Coordinator to monitor the reporting process, which can be done directly through the BFGO system, and help consortium leads meet reporting deadlines. The Project Reporting Coordinator can also provide reporting reminders and follow-ups to the consortium leads. The Project Reporting Coordinator and the Secretariat Coordinator are in charge of the quality assurance phase of the reporting process, reviewing materials submitted by the consortium leads and contacting consortium leads with any missing information. In the final phase of the reporting process, reporting data is aggregated for internal and external use. The data is used in plenary meetings and annual report summaries, as well as for valorization meeting materials. Now let's take the quiz and test what you have learned. When is the deadline for this year's report? A, May 15th, B, June 15th, or C, July 15th? The answer is June 15th. The Belmont Forum reporting cycle runs from mid-March to mid-June each year. The required report will depend on the project's phase. Let's see another question. Who is responsible for monitoring awardee progress? You may choose more than one of the answers. A, Belmont Forum Secretariat Coordinator. B, Project Reporting Coordinator. C, BFGO Provider. Or D, the Consortium Lead. The answer is the Secretariat Coordinator and the Project Reporting Coordinator. The Project Reporting Coordinator and the Secretariat Coordinator are in charge of monitoring awardee reporting progress and working directly with the consortium leads to ensure that they are completing reports in a timely manner. For reporting system questions, please email help@bfgo.org. For more information, please consult the BFGO Guide. The BFGO Guide is on the Belmont Forum Resource Library at www.belmontforum.org/resources. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's tutorial.